Happy story time!
Discovering joys together. Have you ever wondered what a friendly apple tree, a pair of lively sunflowers, and a shiny apple barrel could be up to during the fall season? Once, there was an apple tree named Ash, who was not just an ordinary tree. He had a big heart and a fun-loving spirit, particularly when the fall season arrived. He loved to watch the world change. In the orchard, there were sunflowers named Scott and Sunny. They were tall and bright, always reaching for the sun. Scott was the older brother, wise and caring, while Sunny was a little playful and loved to dance in the breeze. One sunny morning in the fall, Ash, the apple tree, noticed something unusual. The farmer had placed a shiny apple barrel right next to him. It looked like a perfect spot to have an adventure. "Hey, Scott!" "Hey, Sunny!" Ash called out excitedly. "Come down here. We're going on a great adventure today." Always up for some fun, Scott and Sunny swayed to where Ash was. "What's the plan, Ash?" Scott asked, his petals rustling with curiosity. Ash grinned and said, "We're going to play a game. I'll drop my apples into that barrel, and you two need to catch them before they go thump." Scott and Sunny were thrilled. They positioned themselves around the apple barrel, ready to catch the falling apples. Being playful like Sunny, Ash shook his branches, and the apples giggled as they dropped. "Here comes the first one," Ash shouted. A juicy red apple came down, and Sunny caught it with a twirl. "Nice catch, Sunny," cheered Scott. They continued to play, laughing as apples fell faster and faster. But then, something unexpected happened. Ash shook his branches too hard, so instead of apples, he lost his favorite leaf. "Oh no!" Ash cried. "My favorite leaf, it's floating away." Being quick on her petals, Sunny said, "Don't worry, Ash. I can catch it." She reached out with her long green stem and gently caught the leaf. The three friends cheered. They sat near their apple barrel as the sun went down, sharing stories and munching on juicy apples. Ash realized that while adventures were fun, having friends like Scott and Sunny was the best part. From that day on, they played games, told stories, and watched the sunset together every fall. Ash, the apple tree, Scott and Sunny, the sunflowers, knew that friendship was the #1 adventure. And so, in the cozy orchard where the apple tree swayed, the sunflowers stood tall, and the apple barrel gleamed. The friends learned that with every changing season, they could discover new joys and embark on exciting adventures together. While having adventures was fun, they realized the best part was having friends like Scott and Sunny to share with them. The end.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.